In this video, we're going to take a walk through system settings as it relates to the work order and profitability. First, we're going to go by default to the General Settings tab, and let's scroll down a little bit southbound and take a look at how we calculate our labor cost. If selected, calculating labor cost by actual hours is going to reflect the time that is used in the time clock feature. Now, this is by default in most operations that are utilizing a salary as their compensation plan for a technician. This is not the commonplace across the country in the industry. If you're using a flat rate technician, this checkbox is not recommended to be used. This is something that causes some bit of profitability disturbance. This does not reflect any sort of accuracy when it comes to your bottom line profitability. There's another checkbox here on the bottom end, is changing the basis percentage sets the price override. That checkbox is a solid option for when you manually change a price. Let's say you sell a battery at non-list price and you go to receive that battery later. It will keep that price as what you promised the customer it would be. Now, the last part of this tab that we want to cover briefly is the item price reconcile. This is going to give you a reminder that should the cost change on an item, you're going to be prompted to ask the customer whether or not you want to change that price to increase it to protect your profit, or whether or not you want to let it slide for, let's say, the reputation sake of the shop. Next, we have the gross profits tab next to it. This is where we're going to be able to see the reminder within the work order that's going to blink. That's going to be the profit alarm, if you will, on each of the items before us. Everything from labor down to wheel items. These are some standard issue ideas here for the profit percentages that would be standard across the country. And here we have work order minimum gross profit percentage at 60%. This is represented as the bar graph lines in your profitability dashboard. I want to thank you for reviewing the Preferences tab settings. In the next video series, you're going to see the review of system settings for the List tab.